They said that drinking lemon water in the morning is good for you. Here is what they didn't tell you. Do you have the habit of starting your day with lemon water? Then you might want to know all the benefits of that habit. The lemon juice is rich in flavonoids, potassium, antioxidants, proteins, vitamins both B and C. It possesses potent antiviral immune-building capabilities. The consumption of lemon water helps to build up your immune system, giving it a much-needed boost by fighting off infections with its high levels of bioflavonoids, which include citric acid, magnesium, calcium, and pectin. Moreover, done on an empty stomach, it cleanses the body and flushes out your system, which promotes weight loss and maintains the body's pH balance. In addition, it also helps with digestive issues. After all this, do you need any other reason to persuade you to start drinking lemon water every day? 16 ways in which lemon water helps your health. 1. Weight loss. Lemon water will help you maintain a healthy weight and regulate your blood sugar. The pectin contained in lemon water can also fight off those cravings, thus will make you eat less throughout the day. 2. Immune system. Lemon water also supports our lymphatic system as well, which works in conjunction with our immune system. 3. Flu and cold. Lemon enhances the immune system and has many antiviral and antibacterial effects, since it is rich in vitamin C, which makes it a superb remedy for colds and flu. 4. Acne. The consumption of lemon water in the morning will help to metabolize the acidic temperature of your body, and thus it will prevent those annoying breakouts. 5. Constipation. Drinking lemon water can prevent and get rid of constipation, for it promotes regular bowel movements. Undoubtedly, lemon water is great for your digestive health. 6. Kidney stones. People often forget this benefit of lemon use. Lemons contain potassium, which increases citrates in your urine, and in that way, it prevents the forming of oxalate, and flushes out kidney stones. 7. Gallbladder. You can significantly reduce the pain due to gallbladder stones by drinking lemon water while you eat. 8. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Tums can be substituted with lemon water. 9. Colitis. Lemon water can help to balance your pH levels, and colitis is an imbalance of the acid/alkaline levels within the body. 10. Fibromyalgia. People dealing with exhaustion from fibromyalgia can drink lemon water in combination with yoga stretches in order to feel some improvement. 11. Joint pain and swelling. Lemon water helps to reduce the amounts of uric acid amounts in our joints, thus reducing inflammation. It is extremely beneficial for people with arthritis, since it reduces the pain. 12. Inflammation. Acidity is the leading cause of inflammation in tissues. Lemons possess anti-inflammatory properties, so they neutralize acidity. 13. Fingernail health. Lemon water increases the hardness of one's nails as well as clearing up those white spots that appear on them from time to time. 14. Muscle soreness. Drinking lemon water can reduce the pain in sore muscles substantially. So, after hard workout, do not forget to consume it. 15. Alcohol cravings. Kick that alcohol craving by drinking lemon water at parties. 16. Foodborne illnesses. Drinking lemon water can help you to avoid any sort of food poisoning.